In this particular video, we are going to learn how to find the percentage when the whole quantity and the portion of the quantity is given. So, in the previous questions, we used to know the percentage, we used to know the whole quantity, and we used to find what is this percentage of quantity. In reverse percentages, if the percentage is missing, we are going to learn how to find this. So, I'm going to write this mathematically. So, if you see this, x percent can be written as x upon 100. Now, of means multiplication. So I am going to keep a multiplication here. Now 200 is written as the same. Now is equal to, what is this? 25. So I just rewrote the question completely in mathematical terms. Now I know that this and this are being multiplied. 200 doesn't have a denominator. I can keep 1 as its denominator. Now 100 and 200 can be divided by 100. 100 ones and 100 twos. So this gives me x into 2 will be 2x. The denominator will be 1 into 1, which is 1. I can either write divided by 1 or I can just leave it because it just means 2x is equal to 25. Now I only want the value of x. So I'm going to eliminate 2 here. I'm going to eliminate 2. To eliminate 2, I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. So here 2 gets cancelled, only x is left, and here 25 divided by 2 is nothing but 12.5. So what is x? X is 12.5 or 12.5%. Now I can say that 12.5% of 200 gives me 25. Now you can ask, Miss Hasmi, how does this look in a word problem? Let me show you an example. Now let's look at a new question. In the new question, if I am saying a shopkeeper sells a shirt for 250 rupees. He gave a discount of 50 rupees. Right? Now, if I have to find what is the discount percentage, what can I do here? So, I'm going to read this question. I know that the total quantity is 250, right? Now, for this 250 rupees, he is giving this as the discount, and discount percentage I don't know. So, I'm taking it as x. X percent of 250 will be equal to 50. Right? Now if I look at, it's very important for me to write this in the form of percentage of a quantity form. Now x again will become x upon 100. Of will become multiplication, and this is 250 is equal to 50. Since 250 doesn't have a denominator, I can just keep a divided by 1. Its value remains the same. Now 100 and 250. I know that 25 tens will give me 250 and 25 fours will give me 100. This can be further divided. 2 fours, 2 twos give me 4 and 2 fives gives me 10. So that will give me 5x upon 2 will be 50. So if I further solve this, to eliminate 2, I have to multiply with 2 on both sides. So 5x will be is equal to 100, and if I want the value of x, I have to divide both the sides with 5. Divide this side with 5 and divide this side also with 5. So my final answer will be x is equal to 100 divided by 5 is 20. So I found the value of x, right? So I know that 20% of 250 will give me 50. So what is the discount the shopkeeper gave? The discount percentage the shopkeeper gave is 20%. And this is how you find the missing percentage in percentage of a quantity.